Hey YouTubers, I've got a video review here for you guys. This is the Bambu Lab P1S, and we have the material system with it. You'll have to, I'm going to do this in two parts. You'll have to bear with me because we're doing renovation, so there's everything scattered for the print area over here. But I'm going to show you guys a couple prints that we make with this, and you can see it is actually running right now. We're actually printing up some little green apple guys with articulated legs. And I'll have the link to all the files on Printables or Maker World or whatever website they are on the screen, so you guys can click them and find them. So this is a mirrored image love that my wife wanted. These are on Maker World. I can't remember all the information. We're going to have the card up there for you. And this printed out really nice. It printed on the carbon fiber plate there. So this is the back. This is the front. And the shine is because we have a nice carbon fiber build plate in there, which has really nice smooth prints. And this is just a scaled up version. And we do a lot with this printer to help ourselves out. We do a lot of personal printing. We don't do too much commercial printing right now. We do have a couple merchant and commercial licenses to print, so we use these for by our keys, and everyday carry items go in here. And then we are doing a lot of renovations, so we're putting in corner shelves, and that's why the drywall dust there. But these are all printed in PLA Pro except for the love pieces there. But the printer actually has the option, this is a Fates-In dice tower, to print some really high detail. Now this is 3 pieces, so it takes a while to print each one, but this is really nice. Dice go in there, and this is a Fates-In, which we have a merchant license on My Mini Factory for, and we have sold a few of these, and people paint them up and they look really nice. But that's not the highest detail the printer could print in. We haven't turned it up, but we've done a few upgrades to it and that. But I wanted to do a quick review, kind of show you guys how it printing here. You can see it's got these little guys going, and it's really quiet because we have a vented top on it, but I wanted to show you guys how these print. Now the one thing I will say about these, this is not a craft machine. You don't just push print and it goes. There is some work involved with this just before, because I've been asked questions in my out and about local area when people find out I print and stuff like that, and they ask about how it works and if they can get one, and they always ask if you can just push print. It's not like that. So just putting it out there. There is some work involved to get them to print good and print accurate, but I wanted to do a quick review on this for you guys, and then in the second part I'll kind of go over the upgrades. But the AMS down there helps a lot because it does all the printing and retraction. You don't have to do it manually. That is an add-on, or you can buy it as a combo, but they are expensive, and that's the one thing with the printer, it is an investment. So if you're curious about these and you're looking at getting one, they are nice, but I would say they're an investment. There are a lot of people getting into print farms and doing things like that, but you have to maintain all this machine just like you would in any kind of machine. If something breaks, it's on you to fix it. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But it is fun. It's something to do, you know, but you can usually just let it go and this will print, and it'll be done in about almost 3 hours, and then we'll have 4 little green apple guys with articulated legs. And I'll end the video here, and I'll have part 2 coming in. I'll discuss more of the accessories and things for this. So stay tuned for that.